Hey guys, this is Tech Fanatics, and in this video we're going to show you how you can make your car beautiful with the help of a dry cleaner and what are the benefits of using this machine for processes like vacuum cleaning, cleaning car seats, mats, the dash, doors and everything else. So let's get started. Alright, so the first step to clean anything is always to remove the dust from the surface that is to be cleaned, and there is no better option than vacuum cleaning to get this job done. To get the maximum amount of dust and dirt out of a car, a very thorough run of vacuum cleaning should be done on all small openings like AC vents, seat creases, around the leather wrapping of your gear stick, all the corners and roofs of your car floor and all the storage areas as well. After the vacuum cleaning part is done, the next step is to clean the insides of your car with an all-purpose cleaning solution and a detailing brush. APCs are great for cleaning as they can penetrate through long time stubborn dirt stains in a very efficient manner. A ratio of 1:4 is generally the way to go for all kinds of stains. Followed by APC cleaning comes the part of polishing, which is done with the help of a foam polish and sometimes a liquid polish as well. When it comes to the cleaning of seats, there are two different types of seats, one of which is covered with a fabric and can absorb water, and other ones are covered with leather or racine which does not absorb water. The one with leather or racine coverings can be cleaned very easily with the help of APC solution and then dried off with a dry cotton cloth or foam. But when it comes to the cleaning of fabric covered seats, always make sure to suck the water out with the help of a suction machine, as APC makes the cloth very brittle and results in wears and tears of the fabric. The machine being used in this video is a Techfanatic dry cleaner, which is an ideal machine and an all-in-one solution for all the cleaning that you're ever gonna come across when it comes to cleaning the interior of your car. It has the ability to vacuum clean, spraying of cleaning solution and suction of liquids from any kind of fabric. It comes with several attachments which can be used for different situations at different places. And not just that, the machine can also be utilized very well for home usage like cleaning of carpets and rugs. It just makes the cleaning process all that more easier and sometimes even fun. To know more about this product, visit www.techfanatics.in. Links in the description. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Tech Fanatics. See you in the next one.